Understanding Digital Libraries, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of digital libraries. This is a fascinating topic in our digital age, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills and general knowledge. So, let's dive in. A digital library is an online database of digital objects. These objects can include texts, audios, videos, and other forms of media. Unlike traditional libraries, digital libraries are accessible anywhere with an internet connection, making them a powerful resource for learning and research. The key aspect here is that they are digital versions of books, articles, and other materials. Digital libraries offer several advantages. Firstly, they provide easy access to a wide range of resources. You can access these libraries from your home, school, or even on the go. Secondly, they often contain vast collections that would be impossible to hold in a physical space. This means more variety and choices for readers. Finally, digital libraries are often updated regularly, ensuring the latest information is available. Using a digital library is straightforward. Generally, you'll need an internet connection and a device like a computer or smartphone. You can search for specific titles, browse by subject, or even use keywords. Most digital libraries also offer features like bookmarks, note-taking, and highlighting, which can be incredibly helpful for learners. While both digital and traditional libraries serve the same fundamental purpose, providing access to knowledge, there are key differences. Traditional libraries are physical spaces with tangible books, whereas digital libraries are accessed online. Digital libraries offer greater flexibility and accessibility, but traditional libraries provide a unique physical experience with books and a quiet environment for study. I hope this video helps you understand what digital libraries are and how they can be a valuable resource for anyone, especially for those learning English. Remember, in our modern world, digital libraries are becoming increasingly important. So, take advantage of these wonderful resources. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.